Curaçao is a Caribbean island that's part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. It's known for its colorful architecture, warm climate, and rich culture. It is warm and sunny year-round, with the average temps being 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Curaçao is one of the ABC Islands, together with Aruba and Bonaire. Willemstad is known for its friendly population, safe, clean streets, and beautiful architecture. The colorful houses and buildings on its waterfront are visible from the cruise ship docks, and the city's center is within walking distance from the port. A bit of advice is to wear comfortable walking shoes when visiting or planning to take a walking tour of the island. The fort located close to Curaçao Cruise Port is called the Riff Fort. It's a historic fort now integrated into a shopping mall complex, and it's easily accessible by a short walk from the cruise terminal, crossing the iconic Queen Emma Bridge. This area inside the fort is full of souvenir shops, restaurants, and bars. You'll find European and American designers, artisan boutiques, and jewelers. Stop at Steak and Ribs in the Riff Fort for amazing views while you enjoy steak and rib dining.
This I'll do. All that's new.
Hi, little buddy. Hi.
That's the bridge right there.
Yeah. Do have stations here for a water for $1, which is not bad. They have their Christmas trees up. The Queen Emma Bridge is a floating pontoon bridge that connects the waterfronts of Willemstad's historic neighborhoods. The bridge was built in 1888 but renovated in 2006. It opens to allow boats to pass through, so while walking across it, you may be stuck on it for a short period of time, just as we were. The Queen Juliana Bridge in the background is a 4-lane road bridge that crosses St. Anna Bay with a height of 185 feet to accommodate the larger ships. The Love Hearts in Curacao is a popular attraction where visitors can attach a personalized lock to the sculpture for a romantic, memorable experience. This is located right off the floating bridge. There are plenty of small souvenir shops as well, just past the floating bridge.
Oh, baby. Taking a rest.
Go over there and get some information on this.
Oh, they are drinking it. They found themselves a drink. Oh, ah!
Just a short walk from the ship, you'll find many locals with their stands set up where you can shop for handmade gifts and souvenirs. There were many items of all sorts to choose from, such as clothing, hats, purses, hand paintings, and more. You'll also find stands to grab a drink or snack along the way.